Welcome back to the Houston Tax channel, where we simplify tax-related topics for you. In this video, we're talking about the U.S. Tax Court, what it is, why it's important, and how it works. So, if you're dealing with tax disputes, this video is for you. But before we start the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel Houston Tax, and press the bell icon for the latest updates. So, what is the U.S. Tax Court? The U.S. Tax Court is a specialized court where taxpayers can dispute IRS decisions before paying the disputed amount. If you've received a notice of deficiency, or what's often called a 90-day letter, from the IRS, this is your opportunity to challenge that determination. Why is the U.S. Tax Court important? Well, it allows taxpayers to settle disputes with the IRS without first paying the tax in question. This is especially crucial for individuals or businesses who may not have the means to pay a large sum up front but believe the IRS is wrong in their assessment. Without the tax court, you'd have to pay the amount first and sue for a refund later, which can be a heavy burden. So, how does the U.S. Tax Court work? If you disagree with the IRS after receiving a notice of deficiency, you have 90 days to file a petition with the tax court. Once your petition is filed, the case goes before a judge who specializes in tax law. There are no juries in tax court. Both you and the IRS will present your arguments, and the judge will make a final decision based on the evidence and law. It's important to note that the U.S. Tax Court is not your only option. You could go to other courts like the U.S. District Court or the Court of Federal Claims, but for those courts, you'd need to pay the tax first. Tax court gives you the chance to settle disputes before paying. Tax court cases can range from individual disputes about income tax to more complex corporate tax issues. The court handles a variety of cases, including disputes over estate taxes, gift taxes, and even certain penalties. For simpler cases, you can opt for the small tax case procedure, which is faster and less formal, but it limits your right to appeal. One thing to remember is that the U.S. Tax Court is not a place to go unprepared. You'll need to gather your evidence, whether it's receipts, bank statements, or expert testimony, and present a clear argument. Many people find it helpful to consult a tax professional or attorney when dealing with a tax court. And here's a final tip. Even if you end up in tax court, it doesn't necessarily mean a long legal battle. The IRS often settles cases before they even go to trial, especially if your argument has merit. In summary, the U.S. Tax Court is a crucial avenue for resolving disputes with the IRS without having to pay first. If you're facing tax issues and unsure how to proceed, contact a tax professional or attorney. They can help you navigate the process and present your best case. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more helpful tax tips. Catch you in the next video. Bye.